We are here in Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig, and this house is 3 floors with a lot area of 150. So meron siyang 2-car garage here, very spacious, kasha dalawang SUV. And puntahan muna natin yung sa likod bago tayo pumasok sa house. So meron ditong dirty kitchen. Here's your dirty kitchen. And merong space for pwedeng laundry area. This door leads back to the kitchen. But let's go back to the main door. This is the main door. Welcome. Pagpasok nyo, kita nyo is yung living room. Then you can see here yung dining area. Kasama na rin tong set. Meron na rin big sliding windows going to the setback. Kanina. Going to the garage here. This is the kitchen. Meron kang countertop here. This is made from, I think it's granite. This is made from granite. Oh, I think it's polycarbonate. Here are built-in cabinets. Meron for range. Have here the faucet and the sink, dual sink. Also have here another cabinet. This is the breaker of the house. So, ito yung door kanina. Papunta sa laundry area and dirty kitchen. We also have here a bedroom sa ground floor. This is what we call the senior's room kasi accessible. Oh, sorry, this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Tile din yung buong floor. So may accent siya. Have a shower head, water closet, and the sink. Now this is the senior's room. Sorry, fail. This is the senior's room. Meron ng built-in cabinets and mirror. Here's the mirror. Meron din siyang window going. The window. This is the laundry area kanina. And this is the kitchen, the dining area. And sa ilalim ng stairs, mayroong small space for storage. Now let's go to the second floor. This is the second floor. So sa second floor, mayroong 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom na common. Well, yung bathroom is common for the 2 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. Merong malaking sliding window for a balcony. Very huge for natural light. We also have here cabinets and mirror. Materials for the floors are 40 by 40 ceramic tiles. Very huge for a bedroom. Now let's go to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Same design. May windows, built-in cabinets, and mirror. Now, let's go to the bathroom. This is common for the two bedrooms here sa second floor. So may bidet, shower head, water closet and faucet, and sink. This is the master's bedroom. Very spacious, sobrang laki ng master's bedroom. Ang daming windows for natural light. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-ilaw sa hapon, umaga. Nakatipid ka sa kuryente. Ang laki ng windows. You also have here the balcony. You have to see it personally to appreciate it, yung gaano kalaki yung master's bedroom. You also have here the walk-in closet, sliding door, yung mirror. Yung walk-in closet. Then we have here the master's bathroom. Oh, sliding door din yung ginamit. Very spacious din yung master's bathroom. Meron rin mirrors, some drawers here, water closet, sink, and faucets. Tile din yung buong walls ng master's bathroom. Now let's go to the third floor, another view of the master's bedroom. Now let's go to the third floor. May mga windows din sa stairs para may natural light din. Here is the third floor. Family hall yung tawag niya nung seller. Then meron din siyang 2 bedrooms. We have also space here na may balcony. Here's the balcony. Here's another view of the third floor. Tingnan natin yung isang bedroom dito sa third floor. Very spacious din. Actually, mas malaki siya sa bedroom dun sa second floor. So, we also have here a mirror and built-in cabinets. Then you also have a balcony here. So many balconies in this house. Also have here a window for gusto niya ng extra air. Then yung space kanina papunta sa dirty kitchen. Anyway, let's go to the other bedroom. This is another bedroom. It's smaller than the first bedroom and the third floor, pero it's still spacious. Also have here a window for natural light and some air, built-in cabinets, and a mirror and a drawer. Sa third floor, meron ding bathroom, of course. Shared siya for the 2 bedrooms. Again, tiled din yung buong walls. May shower head, water closet, some faucet, and some sink, and a sink. May accent in yung wall. Oh, meron din for tissues. Now, for the third floor, meron siyang sariling kitchen. So, pang family gathering talaga siya. Pwede ka na magluto dito. Pwede kayo mag-celebrate dito. Diba? Since third floor siya, mataas na yung view, pwede kayo, I guess, for fireworks. Makita niyo yung mga fireworks. Anyway, here's the kitchen. Made from tiles naman yung countertop. May built-in cabinets din also. Very spacious yung third floor.
For inquiries, viewings, or if you want to market your property through us, just contact the numbers below. Also, please like and subscribe. This is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker of RizalProperties.ph, finding you properties in Rizal and Pasig.